Morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
Morning. I was talking to Pistol.
I know you were. She's the cutest little pistol you ever did see. Oh, we're geared up and ready to roll. Today's gonna be a great day. I can just feel it in my bones.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Some days you just wake up and go, man.
Today's the day.
Today's the day.
Most every day for me, actually.
Yeah, but today is
The day.
the day.
Yeah, so I think our plan is just to head north. Now in 2 days we'll be in Clarkston, which I have some relatives there, Washington. And then we're going to take the river up into Kuski, which I actually spent summers there as a kid. A few summers anyhow with relatives. And then we're going to head up Lolo Pass. So beautiful area. I'm really looking forward to that. But this is beautiful too. So
Yeah, it's a beautiful windy road. we did it 2 years ago.
Before we were full-time, before we
Yeah.
were filming, it was just a little trip.
We went up over that pass. And that's the only time I've been over that pass on four wheels.
Oh.
I've ridden motorcycles over that pass many times. It's just an awesome ride. I think I've taken pictures of 3 different motorcycles at this one sign. It's like windy road next, 70 some or 90 some miles.
I think down in like one of the valleys, there's like a general store with ice cream. Does that sound familiar?
Yes.
I always remember the food, because that's what's important to me.
That's actually not Lolo Pass. That's
where is
that's
that?
coming from Joseph and Enterprise
Up into Clarkston.
going to Lewiston from
That's
from
right.
the Wallowas.
We're not gonna go that way.
No, but I bet I can find you a general store with some ice cream. I almost guarantee it.
I bet so. I actually have ice cream in here. Pistol had some last night.
Pistol likes her non-dairy ice cream.
She does. Yeah. All right, Sugar Nosy.
Look at that foot. Don't
Daddy,
measure
why are you picking on me?
that. Oh, lay down.
Yeah, you're the good girl.
All right, let's do it. Call the ball.
Yep. Go north.
Take the brake off.
Step 1. Driving down the road just trying to loosen my load. I got 7 women on my mind.
Reading my thoughts.
Yeah, I didn't say what they wanted to do to you.
Oh,
though.
yeah. No Huckleberry cheesecake for you. Pistol saw the Huckleberry cheesecake sign on the reader board.
She did. I saw the bright, sparkly things and purple. I was like, ooh, I gotta stop. Where she turned around. Let's
Coffee
check it
shop.
out. Yeah. Ooh, we found some Huckleberry barbecue sauce. Dang, that's gonna be good. And I also found a doggy scarf. Pistol, should we try that on? Let's see. See if it fits your big old neck. Barely, huh?
Wonder Dog is here.
Barely.
Don't all be dazzled. You spoiled little girl.
Oh, it's cute. Those are all probably gonna fall off, but cute.
You should. I'll take the barbecue sauce instead.
I know. Let me see, girl. Yes. Oh, adorable.
Spoiled girl.
All right. Now we can go. Cheers to breakfast burritos. Oh, no. That's a no. I hit the spot, girl. I think we find our camp spot for the night.
I guess we just drive on the beach.
We drive on the beach. Found a camp spot. Pistol's pretty happy about it. Yeah. I think we're gonna take her down to the water and get her butt wet. Not too bad for free.
This view.
I know. Pistol, what do you say? Go get in the water? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Good girl. Girl. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it, my little water doggy? Yeah, that was fun.
Love the sound of the river.
Oh my gosh, so we had a little change of plans when we got back to camp. The other camp just down just a little ways, we realized there were hornets nesting inside the picnic table. Like they were going in and out of a hole inside the metal leg. So kind of were hornets here and there getting in the van, so we decided that wasn't a good idea.
So we moved closer to the river.
Yes, closer to the river. I mean, how pretty is this? Does it get any better? But this is free, my friends. It's incredible. We'll wrap this video here. Next couple days we're going to be visiting my family up by Clarkston, I think. So I'm going to go get some ice cream. See you guys on the other side.
Carry on.
Girl.